At Loyola University Chicago, the main learning portfolio platform we use is Digication. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of Digication, and I will point you to some helpful resources on our Learning Portfolio Program webpage. To get to the Learning Portfolio page, you can simply go to luc.edu and type in Learning Portfolio. You can also scroll until you find Learning Portfolio. On this page, you will find a button to help you get logged into Digication. You will find information about the purpose of learning portfolios, and you will also see a section, Learning Portfolio Help, where you can find videos and written instructions to help you be successful at using Digication. I will refer to this help section quite a bit throughout this video. Once you are logged into Digication, you will arrive at the home page. Here you will see two sections. The top section is where you will find learning portfolios and also templates that you have created. And at the bottom is where you will see any courses or assessment groups that you are enrolled in. It is important to note that there are many ways to use Digication. Some courses or programs will only utilize the e-portfolios. Some programs will only use the course spaces. Some programs will use both by having students upload materials to their e-portfolio and then also link the materials to an assignment within a course. As the Learning Portfolio Program Manager, I am happy to work with you to figure out what setup works best for you. First, let's take a look at the bottom section where you can find courses and assessment groups. All LUC courses that are registered through Locus will automatically have a course space created. You can filter by current, archived, and future courses. In the course space is where you can find all of the students or faculty that are enrolled in the course. This is where you can link templates if you want students to use a specific template when creating a portfolio. You can link standards, and this is also where you can create assignments if you want students to turn artifacts into something specific. There are more detailed videos and instructions about how to create assignments, link templates, and how to add new students, TAs, and faculty to the course on the Learning Portfolio webpage. As I mentioned, all courses that are registered in Locus will automatically have a course space created in Digication. You can, however, create a new space. Many programs create new groups of students to manage various assessments or to keep students organized by cohort. To create your own space, you will simply click the blue plus sign and begin building your space. There are more details and instructions about this process on the Learning Portfolio page. The top section of the Digication homepage is where you will find the portfolios and the templates that you have created. It is important to notice that there is a difference between portfolios and templates. A portfolio is a user's individual copy. A template can be created from a portfolio, and when shared with others, they can make a copy of it. There are more details about how to create a template, and it can be found on the Learning Portfolio page. To create a new portfolio, click the blue plus sign. Here you will find many options. You can create a portfolio from scratch, or you can use any of the templates that have been shared with you. For this video, I will select Create from Scratch. Before creating it, you will need to give your portfolio a name. Once your portfolio loads, you can start to load content and customize the style. To load content, you will click the blue plus sign. You'll see many upload options here. You can upload files, you can add sections, text boxes, add pictures. You can even combine templates to your portfolio. To organize your portfolio, you can create pages. To do that, you will need to unlock the header, go over here, click the edit button, and you can create unlimited pages. You can also create subpages by sliding a page slightly to the right. The trick to customizing the style of your portfolio is knowing where to click when editing. There's a video on the Learning Portfolio site that can help with this. When working in your portfolio, it is important to remember to publish any changes that you make. If you don't, your changes won't be visible to anyone you share your portfolio with. An easy way to make sure everything is published is to go to the menu and click Publish Pages. You will see anything that is still listed as a draft is not published. The first time that you publish, you will be prompted to change settings. You can do so at any time. You can change the permissions, who it is shared with. In the menu, you will also see a place to submit to an assignment. I would recommend checking out the instructions on the Learning Portfolio page if this is something that you are asked to do. In the menu, you will also see a Settings button. This is where you can again adjust the permissions, who this portfolio is shared with. You can also grab the direct link. And the last thing I'd like to mention about the menu is that there is a button that says Add as Template. If you would like to make a template of the portfolio that you created that others can make a copy of, you'll simply click this button. Again, there are more detailed instructions about this process on the Learning Portfolio page.